Hey guys, I'm going to show you a great method for making your own makeup wipes with just these two products here, Neutrogena Ultralight Cleansing Oil and just any baby wipes from any store, it doesn't matter. So at this point you're probably saying to yourself this isn't really like a DIY, but I just want to show you how to get the best of both worlds out of just these two products here. This is about $7 at Walmart, I think, and I've had this for, I'm not even kidding, like 4 or 5 months now, and I'm not even halfway done with the product. It's a very thin consistency and you don't need a lot of it. You could even add water to this product to make it work better. But basically what I found for myself is, yes, it removes the makeup, but it's still kind of sitting on my face and I don't want to waste dish towels and things like that. So what you can do is you can put this on the baby wipes to get off your mascara, because I find that's the hardest part to get off just simply with the oil. Or you could apply the oil to your face and like put water on it and cleanse your face the best you can, and then just use the baby wipes to clean the residual amount of makeup or whatever off your face. So that's kind of where it comes in with two options. You need one product here and one product here to get the best of both worlds. You have your liquid makeup remover and you can make your makeup wipes with the same product and you literally will not run out of it. One very important thing I recommend though is make sure that the baby wipes are fragrance and alcohol free and hypoallergenic. This also contains aloe, which happens to be good for your skin as well. But you just want to make sure that you're aware of the products that you're putting on your skin, especially if you have sensitive or acne prone skin like I do. But yeah, I just wanted to share those simple tips and ideas that I found work really well for me. It's a great money saver. You don't need to buy 14 different products just to make 6 makeup wipes. You just need this and baby wipes that won't bother your skin. So basically I just wanted to share that, and hopefully you guys found this useful. You can comment any questions down below. It doesn't bother my skin. Neutrogena is great for your skin. I love all their products. I use so many of their products. So yeah, like and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Hopefully that helps you guys out.